Now say your next question. Why does a convex lens of glass mu is equal to 1.5 behave as a diverging lens when immersed in carbon disulfide of refractive index 1.65? So now here you are given a convex lens whose refractive index is 1.5 and it is put into a medium whose refractive index is 1.65. We know 1 upon f is equal to mu 2 1 minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So when you place lens inside carbon disulfide, then R1 and R2 remains unchanged, where mu 2 1, that is actually here mu 2 1 is equal to mu 2 upon mu 1, and mu 2 here we can take, this is 1.5 and mu 1 is 1.65. So 1.5 upon 1.65, which is actually less than 1. So we can write mu 2 1 is less than 1, therefore you can say f is negative. If f is negative, it means this lens is behaving as a diverging lens. So thus we can say lens behaves as diverging lens. So this is here the behavior of the lens which is changing here with the refractive index of the medium.